to this week's Cooking at Riegelmann's. We're in the KitchenAid kitchen. I'm joined by Bling Nordby. He's from Premier Properties. So today he's going to show us how to cook a Kona crab cake with a fresh pineapple sauce.
Salsa. We're going to start off with about a pound of crab meat.
Okay.
And I pre-cooked some onions and ginger.
Okay. All that?
All that in there. We're going to add some green onion, about half of that. Some cilantro, big sprinkle, and some fresh basil. Then we've got some sour cream and mayonnaise, farm fresh eggs. Alrighty, and then mix that up a little bit. We've got a little Asian fish sauce. And I like this to be a little spicy, so we're gonna add some chili garlic to it.
Okay.
All right, and we're gonna add about a cup and a half of breadcrumbs to this mix. And then we're gonna let this sit in the refrigerator for about an hour or overnight, however you'd like to do it.
Okay. Well, let's take it over and put it in the KitchenAid refrigerator, and we'll be right back. We went ahead and made patties out of our crab cake, so they're ready to fry.
All right, we got a little bit of salad oil, vegetable oil in the pan. And we're gonna brown them on both sides.
Crab cakes are done. We're gonna make our pineapple salsa.
Yep, so we have some freshly diced pineapple. We're gonna add some of the cilantro to it. Some green onions. I've got some red bell pepper for color. A little jalapeno, and I'll put a little bit of sesame oil in it. And we'll give it a quick mix. And now we are ready to put it all together. And then we'll put some fresh salsa on it.
That is really pretty.
And call it a day.
All right, well, we're gonna let somebody try it, and we'll be right back. Hi, sir, would you like to try some Kona crab cakes we just made? Tell us what you think.
Like them hot.
Another great success. If you want Andrew to come cook for you, you can buy a house or list a house with him with Premier Property. Thanks for joining us in the KitchenAid kitchen at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham. You can find this recipe and many others at cookingatriegelmanns.com. Until then, we'll see you next week.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.